Welcome to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have some breaking news about Squash and various other people. But before we get into that video, please like, subscribe, comment and share this video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. But before we get into that video, here's a word from our sponsors, Gentleman's Essentials. Is hair loss stressing you out? Look no further than Gentleman's Essentials. If you're experiencing a receding hairline, bald spots, or have thinning hair, Gentleman's Essentials has the solution for you. Gentleman's Essentials is a leading provider of minoxidil, a clinically proven hair loss treatment that is FDA approved and used by millions of users worldwide. Visit Gentleman's Essentials on Instagram to learn more and start your journey to a fuller head of hair. This product works just as well for women. With Gentleman's Essentials, you will regain your confidence. Thanks again to Gentleman's Essentials for sponsoring this video. Okay now people, let's get into the details of this video. Now we're gonna read an article that states that Squash has been arrested in Florida on a gun charge. Listen to this people. Squash reportedly arrested in Florida. Nearly 2 years after he was detained in Florida, Squash has reportedly been arrested in the American state on gun-related charges. Reports state that the dancehall artist was arrested this morning and held at the Miami-Dade County Sheriff's Office. According to a circulated police report, Squash has been allegedly charged with the possession of a machine gun, a sharp-barreled shotgun, and a rifle. Well, people, that sounds serious. Please leave your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the rest of the article. According to a circulated police report, Squash has been allegedly charged with possession of a machine gun, a sharp-barreled shotgun, and a rifle. Additionally, the Big Breeze DJ was detained for carrying a concealed weapon. His bond has not yet been set, and a warrant case for this artist will also be set. The report further stated that an immigration hold was placed on Squash. In 2023, Squash, born Andre Whitaker, was arrested in Florida on immigration-related charges. He had reportedly overstayed the time given to him on a work visa. Now people, if you take a look at your screen, you can see the circulated police report that they have been talking about. Now I won't be going over this police report today, but you can pause the video and check it out for yourselves. Also, I want you to comment down in the comment section what you think of this. And also, if you're from Florida, drop an emoji down in the comment section below. I want to see how many Florida people watching these videos. Now, after this news made its round on social media and everyone is now aware of it, Blamdem went on TikTok live and he had this to say about Squash. Just listen for yourself and tell me what you think in the comment section below.
But now waste man over here. You know boy say them a 6 can't talk to me. 6 man them a waste man, bro. Right now, you saw them a post up my picture of them or something. When me a pitney. Bro, me a pitney me there around them and me see them a waste man. And me find them out and cut from around them. Cause them are informer, from me know them are informer. So me can go in the history of them. Oh, realize it, me mug shot them everybody else off from where me have. I couldn't see where me have.
Master dog, that's
and my mug shot them look so me get everything file and look for everybody else mug shot onto mine. Look for everything where people have a show says Squash get arrested for my one. They may send to me officially to bring down them batty boy. Oh, we have a drone upon them. We have to get them out one way or another. They may drunk here.
But
you gonna suck your mother boy, hey boy, I'm all a black come off of my life, batty boy. You take out your friend Squash out of Chrome.
I'm asking that question. So people, I'm asking the people and feel. You think you just wake up on bad mind, Squash man? You think I just bad mind, man,
no,
bad mind?
Squash off for me bad mind.
Yeah, one day I live life.
Listen to me, informer. Tell me now. Well, give me one possible reason why me couldn't really bad mind that the dog shit there.
Brother,
bro, that the man life sad, bro. Yeah, that the man was on me.
Dog, remember so we had drive Benz. I know you had drive Benz before you up on TikTok, you know.
Alright. When they feel bad mind, Squash, tell me.
I know bragging thing. We had drive
bad mind, Squash, say my destruction.
Yeah,
we can't go no way.
I mean, the people know what I'm going.
Squash, all the artists that can't perform no way. Which other artists that say can't perform no way?
Yeah, them not think
Squash a worse dancer. Squash not for dancehall artist. Squash a waste artist. A waste all that. Waste to all artists. Waste all artists. When they talk about dancehall, they talk about good artists. like a Vibes Cartel and Popcorn them and Skeng them and Tommy Lee them and them artists there. When you talk about dancehall artists, when you talk about squash, you talk about waste all artists. And Roger Wild them and Craft them and Intense them and Alkaline them and all of them and them. And them and their artists. Squash and waste all artists. Skill even a dancehall artists.
People, please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. I will be giving you more updates on the squash situation in the coming months and weeks. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. Now on to the next topic. The man that killed Slickiana was killed by police. Let's read the article together, folks. Roshan Patterson, who is accused of the 2022 murder of social media influencer Nika Slickiana Townsend, was killed in an alleged confrontation with police in Hanover on Tuesday morning. The police say Patterson was on bail. Now people, I don't really have much to talk about this one right here, but I would really like to hear your thoughts down in the comment section. So if you have something to say, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now we have some updates on the Dudus coke situation. It has been reported that 17 months has been shaven off Dudus coke's prison time. Take a look. Jamaican drug kingpin Christopher Dudus Coke has had 17 months shaved off his prison time in the United States and could see more reductions, likely the reward for good behavior, American authorities have disclosed. So, people, this is just the headlines. I'm going to go further down into the article. Coke, who is 56, is halfway through his 23-year prison sentence and is set to be released from Fort Dix Federal Correctional Institution on January 25, 2029. The U.S. Federal Bureau of Prisons FBOP confirmed. His original release date was July 4, 2030. Fort Dix, located in New Jersey, is a low-security prison with no bars, towers, or locks. The reduction in Coke's prison time comes amid the uncertainty about whether the Shower Posse, the Jamaican-based criminal empire he reportedly led, which also operated in US, Canada, and United Kingdom, remains potent or has been dismantled. Before we go into the rest of the article, I wonder if you notice that them have this man in a low-security prison. That means, no matter how bad you think Coke is, yes, so, that means I'm a small fry in a feeding system. Anyways, let's continue. The FBOP declined to disclose details about Coke, explaining that for privacy reasons, it is barred from discussing the conditions of confinement of any inmate, including release plans. However, the agency acknowledged that under the First Step Act (FSA), which was enacted in the US in 2018, every incarcerated individual earns time for good conduct, which is factored into their release date. Prior to the passage of FSA, qualifying inmates were eligible to earn up to 54 days of good conduct time annually for each year served. The Bureau of Prisons explained in an email response on February 18 to questions submitted by the Sunday Gleaner. Under subsequent amendments to the legislations, qualifying inmates are now eligible for the maximum 54 days shaved off their time for good conduct for each year of the court-mandated sentence. He was arrested by the Jamaican security forces in June 2010, ending weeks of mounting tension across the Jamaican capital triggered by the months-long delay by the then Bruce Golding-led government to authorize his extradition. A month before his arrest, Coke mysteriously escaped his Tivoli Gardens stronghold after 2 days of fierce gun battle between the security forces and heavily armed thugs loyal to him. When the shooting ended, 69 civilians and one member of the Jamaica Defense Force were killed in what was one of the darkest periods in modern Jamaican history. Yeah, people, I want you all to share your thoughts on all these topics down in the comment section below. But that's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. Also, if you can, please support us on Patreon. Also, don't forget to check out Gentleman's Essentials. That's it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.